E-commerce never sleeps, and here at Magebit we understand that better than anyone else. This is why Magento support is a very substantial part of who we are. We're always able to assist our customers during the hard times, be it day or night.
Are you experiencing a heavy workload? Hit me up to find out more about certified Magento dedicated developers.
Are you tired of endless problems on your website? This is how low-quality code affects your daily life. Are you tired of waiting for things to get resolved in a timely manner? This is how unreliable partner affects your business. Fixes of bugs, setting up new functionality, migrations from Magento 1 to Magento 2, and adjusting your website to meet the latest e-commerce trends could be just a small part of what you might wish to achieve right now.
We focus on creating trust-based relationships with our clients. Not only does it make our job easier, but it also improves the quality of the expected result.
It's better to be safe than sorry. We will make sure that your e-commerce store complies with all the international safety regulations. GDPR happened like almost a year ago, but how do you know that it complies with it?
Be it code or user interface implementation, quality is always top priority at Magebit. Not only us as developers make sure work we do meets defined standards, we also have a QA team that will test it to the last bit.
Size doesn't matter to us. We are flexible and can work with small and big businesses. What matters to us is our clients' success.
We like to move fast and think big, but we never lose ground under our feet.
I truly believe that curiosity is the key to success here in Magebit. Otherwise, there's no way to explain why we're always so encouraged to broaden our knowledge and expand our experiences.
We are Magebit, your full-service solution provider. Explore more on magebit.com.